Are you someone who is seeking for opportunities in life but don't know what to do, what not to do? Are you someone who is still struggling to achieve what you really want in life? Or do you think that just because of lack of opportunities I am not shining in my life? Then let me tell you that you are not alone. We all think the same. But we have to find the root cause. And for that, just take a pen and a piece of paper and write down all your problems and your goals, what exactly you want in your life. Trust me, you will find your answer. And if you think that communication skills and spoken English is coming in between, and if you consider that these two things I really need to improve, then only I can shine in life. I'm always there for you. Because I still remember when I first joined as an English teacher in a public school, I always used to think that I know everything. I have a good command over this particular language and I'm an expert. I know subject knowledge. I have a good subject knowledge. I can speak English. But as soon as I joined the school and after a few months, I understood that no, it is not. If you have a subject knowledge, that is not enough. And communication skills and spoken English, it's a skill you have to learn, you have to practice, then only you can become a good communicator. And it is very much important in every field. If you are a professional, if you are a working woman, if you are a working man, you need this. You need all these things, spoken English, communication skills, to enhance your personality, to grow in life. So you can do 3 things which is really going to help you initially. That is number 1, join any community where you will find like-minded people, where people discuss about communication skills. Number 2 is every day speak, share your experience on any topic. And number 3, that is please do not hesitate. Take part whenever somebody is asking you a question, just raise your hand and say that I am there to answer. Even if you go wrong, you will gain the confidence and gradually you will improve. You will become a good communicator because it is all about confidence. So what are you waiting for? If you are facing problem, then please DM me. I'm always there. This is Beena Roy